Well, I'm over at Annalee's place today and I want to show you all the beautiful things that she makes and puts together. If any of you are like me, I'm not a very handy DIY person. I'd rather just spend a little extra money and buy them from her because I'm not very crafty, as we all know. But as you can see, Annalee is a wonderful crafter. She does great job putting beautiful displays together. And I always enjoy seeing what she has. Now some of these items you may have already seen in past posts or things similar that she's made for us. And I just love all the beautiful things that she has to share. Are they not beautiful? And she even does beautiful little miniature Christmas trees. Everything is perfectly put together by a great artisan. Oh my gosh, look at this Christmas tree. It is just beautiful. I love it. I might have to buy it when I'm here. Don't know what to say. I have no willpower. And of course, I know you remember these. I already bought a pair of them. I love them. Everything she does is so beautiful. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Well, you'll have to see what I picked up. Stay tuned. Got a few sweet things today when I was over at Annalee's house. You know how I love to go to her epic garage sales. Always find something beautiful to share. Isn't this one beautiful? Love her pretty little dress. And she looks just beautiful. All finished off perfectly. And she had this cute little rabbit today also. Isn't it cute? I saw it and I just had to have it. And look, she has her little ice skates on. It's winter time. She is going to be perfect for a winter display, isn't she? Then, look what Grandma found. These beautiful skate ornaments. Now they'll look great in the cozy corner with a winter display with my new little bunny with her little skates on too. And I thought this would be great for my table. Look at all the beautiful detail work these pieces have. I don't know where she finds all these beautiful pieces, but they're all finished off just beautifully. You could put it like that on the table if you wanted to just use it year-round. Just beautiful white and gold. Or you can turn it around and it can be for Christmas. Dual purpose. That's the beautiful creamer. And you still could do the same with this. On one side, you could leave it out year-round and turn it on the other side and use it for Christmas. I saw that and I said, oh my gosh, those are so beautiful. They're not too big, they're not too small, they're just the perfect size for my tablescapes. So, I'm going to be using them a lot. And Grandma got, now we only see 4 dessert bowls here, but I did actually get 8. It's just I didn't want to pull all of them out. Now, look at all the detail work on this glassware. Isn't it beautiful? All the way around. And it's clear, so it could go with any tablescape and look beautiful on the table. I really was happy with the finish on it. Love the way it looks. Look how it reflects light onto the tablecloth. Oh, just beautiful. When I saw this one, you know I had to have it. Perfectly put together. So pretty, and I love the pink. It's one of my favorite colors, and I already have quite a few pink pieces. It will be perfect in so many displays. And look at the beautiful stand. I could probably use this for something else if I wanted to use it too, because it goes with everything. A really good weight and really good quality. But this is how I bought it, and I really loved it, and it's beautiful. And like I said, I already have a lot of pink pieces that will go perfect with this. Now I want to show you what Annalee made. Oh my gosh, she's such a great creator. She creates so many beautiful displays. I want to show you this. Now this is my little gingerbread Christmas tree that she made. Look at all the beautiful detail work that she puts into everything she does. Are they not the cutest things you've ever seen? Just look at all the beautiful detailed work she puts into everything she does. And the gingerbread men are so cute, and they're all a little different. And of course, I love the red and white ribbon she used. And it matches everything to do with those wonderful gingerbread men. Now let me turn it around and show you the other side. Annalee does such a beautiful job with every single thing she does. And they look just like real cookies, don't they? And then the red and white stripes. And here's another one. And the beautiful snowflakes. Everything about this is just gorgeous. And this angle, it's just so wonderful. Everything is just perfect. They put together. And it always does such beautiful, beautiful, creative things when she decorates. Oh, it'll be just beautiful. Doesn't matter where you place it on the table or where you're setting, it's finished all around. Won't that look wonderful? And I can't wait to get the cozy corner decorated for Christmas. And I'm going to do a gingerbread theme, as you can see. Doesn't the tree look beautiful in front of the centerpiece? Just love it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed what we had to share today. Hugs and kisses until the next video, my dear friends.